Good morning, YouTube. It's the 9th of November 2018, a lovely morning, and we are just out of Gangtok on our way towards the old Silk Route. Yesterday, we reached Gangtok in the evening and stayed at the Bamboo Grove retreat, which was a nice day. I'm leaving the phone number here. The place has a huge parking space, which is really important when you are on a road trip on your motorcycle or car. By the way, if you missed yesterday's ride, here is the link. Today the plan is to reach Siliguri via the old Silk Route. That way we can see the Changu Lake and the famous Baba Mandir. The permits for the old Silk Route and places like Changu Lake, Baba Mandir and Zuluk are given on the day of the travel and can be collected from the tourism office at NG Mart. And if you're looking for a phone number for permits, you can go back to the first part of the series. I have left a phone number there. The road from Gangtok to Canggu is a good one with a few bad patches, but has a lot of traffic and steep climbs. We had to miss the Nathula Pass this time because of the lack of time, so keeping that for the next time. We were now close to the Canggu Lake where we stopped for some breakfast and tea before getting back on the road again to head towards the Baba Mandir. The road from Gangtok towards the old Silk Route is a constant climb, and with the gain in altitude, the temperature dropped and it kept getting colder, and gradually the landscape was turning from green to brown. And then we reached the old Baba Mandir. After spending some time here, we headed towards Zuluk, which is a small but significant town on this route. And we were now on the famous Silk Route, and while I was extremely happy to be here, it was getting uncomfortable with the sharp dip in the temperature. This was a ride through the clouds, and as we moved ahead, the visibility was dropping too. But we were all enjoying it nonetheless. At this point, it was extremely cold and we had to take multiple breaks as it had become difficult to ride. With the visibility sharply dropping, our speed dropped too, and we were desperately looking to have some tea. We finally made it to Zuluk and had some hot Maggie and tea, which brought us all back to life. Zuluk has a few homestays, and if you have time, it's a good idea to plan a halt here. The other options on this route are Nathang Valley and Padamche. Though the plan was to make it to Siliguri, it was already 4:30 and we were not sure whether that was possible. So we just kept moving ahead. And at this point, the action camera died too. It's the next day, the 10th of November, and a very good morning to all of you. Yesterday, we reached Rongpo around 7:30 in the evening and decided to halt there. Rongpo is about 75 kilometers from Siliguri, which means today will be a really long day of riding towards home. So, November is definitely one of the best times to visit Sikkim. The days are bright and sunny without much rain, and you can even find some snow. If you have any questions or are looking for some information, please put it in the comment section. I will surely try to help. This was a great trip with many lovely memories, and I would definitely want to come back to this part of the country. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did traveling around. And this brings us to the end of this trip. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Till we meet again, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.